I always had that belief that I was gonna win the Open Championship, because it's been in the back of my mind since I stood back on the early days on a putting green, and you had a 5-footer, and it's like, this is for the Open Championship. It's wind's blowing and the putt is in off the right or off the right lip, and you imagine those things as a kid and as a junior, and yeah, I finally got to live that dream. It's such an iconic trophy. It's just perfect. It's the right size. It's got the silhouette. It's just embedded in your mind and imprinted in your mind really over years and years. So yeah, I guess I'm Claret Jug brainwashed. It was 1991, Royal Birkdale, Ian Baker Finch winning the Open Championship. That's my first memory. It was just a different kind of golf. I started playing probably just a year before this, maybe 2, and just seeing the footage from the links, seeing that kind of style of golf on television, was something I'd never experienced or seen in real life. So it was definitely something different, and the shots the players were playing, and yeah, it really got me intrigued and curious on links golf. For me, it was always the one to win. It was always the kind of the first one. If I obviously, when I sat there 12 months ago with no major championship, I would have gladly taken any. But if I'm only to win one, that would have been the one. Because being European, the history, I watched my idols, battling it out for the Open Championship, and being European, as I said, it's been highest on my wish list. The history, I mean, it's the oldest championship. We got the playing the links golf. It feels like it's back to the roots. It's just a different feel and the crowds, just all the. These days, all the grandstands are blue. There used to be the yellow ones back in the day. It's just that feel to it, and the atmosphere, and the seagulls, and the smell of the ocean, and yeah, all those things combined really makes it very special.